We have a hit. We'll try to center him. Sorry, I went the wrong way. Here we go. There's a live hit. The scale is correct. This is in the upper right center of the slide. This took 2 passes of my frequency program. That was 125 watts, 120 watts, 924 hertz. So that took 2 passes of the frequency program to accomplish. I think we have another hit. It's looking very suspicious. Changing the focus a little bit. Here we go. We caught it live. This is live using the F125 program, which I have written and named Blepharisma 11F, using 2 frequencies that devitalize the organism. This took 2 passes of the program, so it's running about 6 frequencies, 3 minutes each, and then I ran the program again and got this effect on the second run. So it seems to sometimes take a second run. I have 125 watts, 1.4 SWR. That happened around 924 or 925 hertz. It's 2 hits tonight, July 16th. I think we have a candidate here. He's getting that sort of odd shape they get sometimes. And he is non-responsive to stimuli and other organisms by helium. I might be able to increase the wattage a little bit, but the SWR is getting a little high. Maybe this will speed it up. This is 922 hertz. Yeah, I think we're starting to see a result now. Scale is correct. Let's keep an eye on this guy for a minute. He's continuing to change shape. 125 watts, SWR 1.4, a little bit high. What's happening above in another organism? Let's go to 923. Oh wait, here he goes. He's changing in real time. This is real time. I'll try to keep him centered. He is moving while he's changing. Watch carefully. This is really interesting. 922 hertz, 125 watts, 1.4 SWR. He severed into 2 large spheres. He may undergo further changes. Let's watch for a moment. And oddly enough, something's moving. He's moving fast. Look at that. Little piece of him takes off like a little jet. I'll try to track him. There he is. Look at him flying around. I'll try to focus it. What's left of him is flying around the slide right there. Look at that. Incredible. There he is. It's too fast to photograph. Here's another organism undergoing a change. I'll try to focus. There we go. He's swimming. I think he may have already changed, but perhaps he's undergoing further change. We've had 922 hertz going for 558 seconds, but it still looks like it's having an effect on this organism. Let's go to a duty cycle of 48. Yes, he is changing shape. I'm going to keep an eye on this guy. Let's go to a duty cycle of 45. Running two frequencies, 10,164 and 923. The 10,164 is maintaining 50% duty cycle, but the 923 is at a 45% duty cycle. And he's continuing to change shape. Let's go to a 40% duty cycle and see what that does. I don't know if the duty cycle is helping with this change, or he is definitely changing shape. I'm going to keep an eye on this guy. There we go. That's 923 hertz with a 40% duty cycle, plus 10,164 hertz with a 50% duty cycle, running a program on the Macintosh computer, running two copies actually of the program called RB Square Gen, which I wrote. Oh, we have a hit, finally. There he is. When did he give up the ghost? At 924 hertz with a 49% duty cycle. And it was up to about 150 watts. I think the wattage is directly related to the level of the effects. Also, the power meter goes way down on the antenna tuner when you drop the duty cycle, so you have to be careful about that. In real time, this is the two frequencies, 10,164, which is the 11th harmonic of 924. And the other frequency is 924. And this didn't really, even though over a dozen organisms completely stopped moving for the last 10 minutes or so, this one didn't really start to change until I reestablished this relationship of 924 hertz for one frequency and 10,164 for the other. 125 watts, 1.4 SWR. And this is real time. Classic change. Look at the left side of the organism over here. Dramatic, dramatic. Looks like we have a, I guess this is a post-devitalization. He's already broken up into parts. That's a fragment. I think he's continuing to undergo some kind of change internally here. I could see some kind of flow inside. $125 watts, 1.4. There's one nearby, little classic balloon shape here. These usually devitalize when they get to that point. Usually the pointy end, the anterior end, breaks like a little balloon and changes shape. Here's one changing very slowly in real time. He's already partially disintegrated. And there's something still happening here. I think he just recently broke into pieces because these spheres are moving away. This one is resealed here.